Hi, I'm Sean Higgins, editor for Spar 3D and the Spar 3D newsletter. I'm here at the Spar 3D Expo and Conference 2016 with Mike Harvey, product manager for Leica HDS in North America.
Yes.
And you guys have some new products or updates to products that you're announcing.
We have some very interesting new things. So we have now a integration with the Spheron camera, so we can bring that directly into Cyclone. And then we also have integration with the dot product hand scanner, so we can have that. And those also all directly import into the Cyclone software, so customers can now start to combine multiple sensors into our software platform. We also have now batch importers for like the iStar camera that you see right behind us. And then we have some great new tools in our software. We have steel fitters for some of our CloudWorks products. We also are releasing a COE, which stands for Cyclone Object Exchange language for Revit, so you can bring in modeled objects from Cyclone into the Revit platform, as well as the other direction. So if you have a design model inside Revit, you can put that into Cyclone and publish those to TrueViews, so customers can see that in TrueView. So a lot of cool stuff that we got going on, and so on.
So with the integration with Spheron and dot product, for instance, is this meant to appeal to people who are sort of building out a wider 3D capture tool set and want to be able to incorporate it all for single projects, wider projects?
So I mean, there's no one scanner that's gonna scan everything in an actual project. So we said, okay, let's have more integration with more tools, so that we can take multiple sensors into Cyclone. And we also have direct import of our HPC files from the Pegasus 2 as well as the backpack. So whether you have mobile data, whether you got static data, whether you have handheld data, we can take it all.
And so on the other end of it, the software updates that you mentioned, so the idea there is increased interoperability, if I understand correctly?
Well, interoperability plus more tools. So this one of the outstanding requests from our customers is more fitters into some of the CloudWorks platforms, as well as like clash checkers. So we have a new clash checker, as well as an anti-clash checker, which is an interesting tool. So anti-clash checker is the concept of the clash checker is always you're clashing some sort of point cloud against a model, say, okay, well, this thing's in the wrong spot type of thing. An anti-clash checker is you go out and do a scan, and you can actually check for something that is either grotesquely out of place or doesn't exist yet. So you can actually now start doing progress scanning, say, okay, well, that wall hasn't been built yet because it's not there. I don't have any scan data on it. So it's a neat way to check out for that.
Oh, well, that's fascinating.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for talking with me.
All right, thanks for stopping by.